Welcome to Inside Wolf. Today we're going to be making some spicy turkey sliders. We got 2 pounds of ground turkey. We have 3 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. We have 3 teaspoons of hot sauce. Any choice of hot sauce that you would like to use, you can. We have 1.5 tablespoons of parsley. We have 2 teaspoons of thyme, 2 teaspoons of salt and sugar, and we have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We also have 1 cup of minced onions, and we have half a cup of breadcrumbs. Okay, so pretty much you mix all the ingredients with the ground turkey. So we'll start off with the hot sauce. You can use a spatula and get as much out of the cup as possible there. Okay. Worcestershire sauce, the parsley and thyme, the pepper, salt and sugar, the minced onions, pieces out of there. All right, and then the breadcrumbs. Okay, and just mix your ingredients together. And if the spatula ain't working for you, you can go ahead and get your hands dirty, which is what I'm going to do now. And so the ingredients won't stick to your hands, you can use some olive oil to sprinkle a little bit on that on your hands, and it helps the mixture not stick to your hands. Alright guys, we finished making all our patties. That recipe roughly made about 15 hamburger patties, or turkey patties. So we're going to go ahead and throw them on the grill. Now you can use a traditional grill, but I like to use the George Foreman grill. It's definitely a handy grill that I like to use here in the house. Quick and easy, so we're going to go ahead and put these patties on there. These are going to cook roughly for about 2 minutes on the grill. And we'll come back and flip them. Alright guys, 2 minutes is up, so we're going to go ahead and flip these patties over. Get those grill marks in there. Fine and good. Alright. Now we'll cook this side for about 2 more minutes. We're trying to reach the temperature of 165 for poultry. So we'll be checking that to See if we get the 165 temperature. All right, our 2 minutes is up. We're going to get these patties off. You can place them right on your buns. We really enjoy the slider buns that have a little taste of honey to them. There you go. And then you can always check if you like the temperature, but we've been doing this for a while, so we know that we're right there. See, we hit the 165. So now you can there's our turkey sliders that we made, and we like to use the sriracha aioli or sauce, and this is just amazing with this recipe. And this is a family recipe that once we found it, it's just extraordinary. A must try if you haven't tried this recipe. Highly recommended. And one more. And there you have it, guys. That is the spicy turkey sliders.